Hello kids, welcome back to Kid Wiz. In today's video, we will learn about 20 emergency vehicles, special vehicles that play an important role in rescue operations and in keeping people safe. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is a fire truck.
Fire truck. This emergency vehicle responds to fires and accidents. It carries firefighters, water, hoses, ladders, and rescue tools, helping protect people, buildings, and animals during dangerous emergency situations in communities.
This is a snow rescue vehicle.
Snow rescue vehicle. This emergency vehicle operates in heavy snow. It rescues stranded people, clears paths, and helps emergency teams reach cold, dangerous areas.
This is a rescue helicopter.
Rescue helicopter. This helicopter flies to hard-to-reach places during emergencies. It rescues injured people from mountains, oceans, or disasters, transporting them quickly to hospitals with medical support on board.
This is a mine rescue vehicle.
Mine rescue vehicle. This specialized vehicle operates underground. It helps rescue miners during accidents, carrying oxygen, tools, and safety equipment in dangerous environments.
This is an emergency command vehicle.
Emergency command vehicle. This vehicle acts as a mobile control center during emergencies. Leaders coordinate rescue teams, communicate information, and manage operations efficiently at large accidents, disasters, or complex emergency scenes.
This is a military ambulance.
Military ambulance. This ambulance supports soldiers during emergencies. It transports injured personnel from training areas or missions, providing medical care and protection in challenging environments.
This is an ambulance.
Ambulance. This is an ambulance used to transport sick or injured people quickly. It carries medical equipment, trained staff, flashing lights, and sirens, helping patients receive emergency care safely while traveling to hospitals.
This is a flood rescue vehicle.
Flood rescue vehicle. This emergency vehicle is designed for deep water. It rescues people during floods, drives through submerged streets, and helps deliver supplies safely.
This is a rescue truck.
Rescue truck. This specialized truck responds to serious accidents. It carries heavy tools to cut metal, lift vehicles, and free trapped people, helping save lives during traffic emergencies.
This is a police car.
Police car. This is a police car used to maintain safety and order. It helps officers respond quickly to emergencies, guide traffic, protect citizens, and enforce laws in cities, towns, and neighborhoods.
This is a Wildfire fire truck.
Wildfire fire truck. This truck fights forest and grass fires. It drives on rough terrain, carries large water tanks, and helps firefighters protect nature and nearby communities.
This is a ladder fire truck.
Ladder fire truck. This fire truck has a long extendable ladder. It helps firefighters rescue people from tall buildings and fight fires at high levels safely.
This is a rail rescue vehicle.
Rail Rescue Vehicle. This emergency vehicle responds to train accidents. It carries rescue teams and equipment, helping evacuate passengers and secure dangerous railway situations.
This is a rescue ship.
Rescue Ship. This rescue ship operates on oceans and large seas. It helps save people during maritime emergencies, carries rescue teams and equipment, and provides medical support during storms, accidents, or ship disasters.
This is a Pediatric Ambulance.
Pediatric Ambulance. This ambulance is designed for children. It carries child-sized medical equipment and trained staff, helping young patients feel safer and receive proper emergency medical care.
This is an airport fire truck.
Airport Fire Truck. This powerful fire truck protects airports and airplanes. It responds quickly to aircraft emergencies, spraying foam and water to control fires and keep passengers safe.
This is a rescue boat.
Rescue Boat. This emergency boat operates on oceans, rivers, and lakes. It helps rescue swimmers, boaters, and accident victims, providing safety equipment and rapid response during water emergencies.
This is an emergency motorcycle.
Emergency Motorcycle. This emergency motorcycle moves quickly through heavy traffic. It carries a trained paramedic and medical supplies, allowing fast response to accidents and emergencies in crowded city streets and busy urban areas.
This is an animal rescue vehicle.
Animal Rescue Vehicle. This emergency vehicle rescues injured or lost animals. It transports them safely to shelters or clinics, helping protect wildlife and pets during dangerous situations.
This is a disaster relief truck.
Disaster Relief Truck. This truck delivers food, water, and supplies after disasters. It supports communities affected by storms, earthquakes, or fires during recovery efforts. Here is a list of 20 types of emergency vehicles that you just learned about. Which emergency vehicle do you like the most?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Goodbye and see you next time.